Order the Winfield Town Council special meeting with the pledge.
Pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all.
Roll call, Mike.
Mr. Zach Beaver.
Present.
Mr. Tim Clayton. Present. Mr. David Anderson. Not present. Miss Amy Blaker.
Here.
Mr. John Duwinski.
I'm here.
Mr. Nick Bellar.
Here.
Mr. David Austin.
Present.
And I am Michael Lambert. Good evening.
Thank you, Michael. First up, we have public comment on agenda items. Anybody wishing to speak on an agenda item? If you mind going up and say your name and address for the record, please.
Good evening. My name is Debbie Pilsudski. I live at 721 100 South here in Hebron, just past Lake of the Four Seasons.
Hebron or Winfield now?
Pardon?
Hebron or Winfield?
Hebron.
Thank you.
I'm here to represent my friend Mrs. Marie Buckingham and the Ryan Adam Kelly Foundation. Mrs. Buckingham is in classes tonight at Lake County for drunk driving and drug offenders. Court ordered or they go back to prison. I'd like to bring back to the table and ask about the situation of Raph, where he is, what's going on, and how this matter can be settled. I have a copy of the draft to offer Miss Marie a settlement where you asked for indemnification for the town of Winfield and the police department, but you have not yet provided a clause or an amendment to this offer indemnifying Mrs. Marie Buckingham and Ryan Adam Kelly Foundation from any future issues that may arise regarding RAC or the Ryan Adam Kelly Foundation.
Mr. President,
Sir.
respectfully, ma'am, this is a wholly inappropriate place to negotiate some resolution to some issue that is undefined and not before you for such purposes. It's public comment. Of course, public comment should be invited. Negotiation and discussion of the topic presented is inappropriate here. Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Yep.
I think what Attorney Austin is saying is
So you're not going to talk?
what I would suggest is my understanding is that Mrs. Buckingham has an attorney on record or has represented the town that she has an attorney.
Correct.
That person was the last person to have contact with, once someone retains an attorney, then we negotiate all those things through their lawyer. Those conversations should be had between the town's attorney and Mrs. Buckingham's attorney. So if something has changed on her representation or how that, that situation is being handled, well, if it hasn't, either way, I guess, it still needs to be handled through the proper channels of negotiation with the town attorney. I think that's kind of what Attorney Austin is getting at.
All right. So what you're saying then is you're not willing to discuss any of this in a public forum?
No, it's not that we're not willing to discuss it. It's that you're asking us to negotiate something which should be negotiated between the lawyers and was being negotiated between the lawyers.
According to the last documents I have, that has not been addressed.
Okay. I mean, that could be I don't know what you see or what
I have a
has
copy.
been shared with you.
I
What
have
I
a
would
copy.
suggest is that you should have Mrs. Buckingham have her lawyer contact Attorney Austin's office if they have something further, or they have something proposal they want us to look at, or some additional information. But I mean, we've been down this road a few months and we haven't received anything new, and that's at some point we have to look out for the best interests of RAC and make sure that he's not sitting in a kennel waiting for something to happen. So if something has changed and there's some new information, some new development, I'd encourage Mrs. Buckingham to reach out to the town's lawyers.
So this is just gonna stay stagnant until the lawyer contacts your lawyer?
Typically, when someone threatens litigation, our responsibility is to protect the town by handling everything through our legal counsel. And so that's where we are with it right now, as far as I can see, unless something has changed.
All I have is what's in front of me, and I just came here to represent her and ask the question.
Right.
Because she doesn't know where the dog is. She's not been contacted in any other manner other than the draft offer presented by council and an amendment clause indemnifying her to even consider settling has not been offered up. So that's where it's at.
Okay. Yeah, I mean, I think the message back is just, they should reach out to our council. If they think there's some movement here, then that should be worked out between the lawyers that are involved.
Very well. I'll take the matter back to her.
Thank you.
Thank you very much.
Thanks for coming,
Thank you.
appreciate it. All right, citizens requesting, anybody else wishing to speak on an agenda item? Citizens requesting placement on the agenda not related to agenda items. Seeing none, we're going to move on to new business. Item number 1, public hearing for 3-year growth levy appeal. Nick?
As discussed last meeting, the state legislature at the end, this is the last year to do growth levy appeals. Historically, Winfield has been able to obtain those through just the amount of growth that our town sees. Moving forward, we will not be able to do that. This is a public hearing to submit for the growth levy appeal. The amount of $216,277. So that would be money that would be permanently added to the town budget.
What's that dollar amount again?
$216,277.
All right, we're going to open the public hearing. Anybody wishing to speak on the 3-year growth levy appeal? And we will close the hearing.
Could we verify on the record the public hearing notices have been duly advertised and all matters pertaining to this public hearing have been fulfilled?
Yes, sir. Thank you very much.
Just an acknowledgement from the clerk treasurer or the town manager.
Oh, yes, I thought, yes.
I'm sorry.
Okay.
My apologies.
Yeah.
I didn't know that was directed towards
Just,
me.
yeah, just making the record.
Yeah, I thought it was kind of general comments.
Yeah, I thought you were just,
Yeah.
Okay, so that's been made.
Perfect.
All right, that's it. Dave, anything else?
That's it. Nobody had comments.
Nope.
So close the public hearing.
And we'll reclose. All right, item number 2.
Times 2.
Right. Item number 2, public hearing, extension of services levy appeal. Nick?
town council has identified some public safety priorities that they're looking to pursue. The legislature, again, historically has offered extension of services levy appeals. This is the last year to pursue those. Those will be going away. The amount of appeal that the town council is pursuing at this time is in the amount of $1,193,456.78.
Please confirm public hearing notices are in order before you open the floor.
They are in order.
All right, thank you, Nick. We will open the public hearing. Anybody wishing to speak on the extension of services levy? Hearing none, we are going to close the hearing. All right, item number 3, public hearing for the 2026 budget. Nick?
You have in front of you the ordinance for the 2026 budget. That is ordinance 379. Total for the budget, including
the levy appeals is $13,894.90. $13,894. What'd you say, Mike? 13 million.
Yes.
It's just been a real
That
long
was-
day.
Yes, all right.
The lowest budget in Whitfield history.
Right.
Sorry, $13,894,998. If the levy appeals do not get approved, it'll be minus those amounts we talked about previously. It just needs, this will be first reading, I believe, David,
It is.
and then title only.
Very good.
To replace what's in our packet, the last page. Is that with the new?
Yeah, she's confirming this is the updated sheet.
Yeah, this is,
Okay.
my apologies, yes, that is updated from the last time, from the introduction. It has been properly
I was
noticed.
just gonna ask. Very good. All right, we will open the public hearing. And we will close it. All right, anything further on this? We'll entertain a motion to adopt a resolution on, all right, this is
Approved first reading.
approved in first reading. Ordinance number 379.
I'd like to make a motion to approve ordinance number 379, ordinance for resolution for appropriations for tax rates for the 2026.
We have a motion by Tim,
Second.
second by John. Any discussion? Hearing none, all those in favor?
Aye.
Aye.
All those opposed? Motion carries. And we will have this will be heard at our October 20th meeting, right?
Yeah, for
Yeah.
second reading.
Zach, the time on here, on the third sheet, might need to be adjusted. It says the hearing time is at 7 for today's and.
Oh, yeah, you're right.
next. Okay.
Yeah, was this for the,
That will be for the 20th, for the adoption meeting.
It shows it for today's as well.
yeah, it does have it on the left on the public hearing time.
Oh, I see that.
What does that do, Dave?
Nothing, it's inadvertent.
Okay.
This needs to be corrected.
Yeah, we can correct, we noticed it up on the first, on the stuff that went out correctly,
Yes.
right? Okay, just to make sure. Good call.
And then that time for the next meeting is 7 PM, that is correct?
Oh, perfect.
While we're asking.
On the 20th?
Yeah, that'll be the regular, we're moving all the regular meetings for the month to
That's
that night. So
Okay,
that'll be regular.
perfect.
Is that a Monday night?
It is a Monday.
Monday, October 20th?
Yes.
7 PM? Thank you.
Very good. So our next meeting will be at Monday, October 20th at 7 PM, and we'll have our second reading of the budget. Or the budget ordinance, I should say.
Yes.
Entertain a motion to adjourn.
So moved.
Second. Amy.